In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see macros in MyFitnessPal. This process is straightforward and will help you track your nutrition more effectively. By monitoring your macronutrients, you can optimize your diet for better health and fitness outcomes. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. As you do this, you will see the familiar layout of the app. The interface is user-friendly, displaying various options to help you track your food and exercise. Opening the app is the first crucial step, allowing you to access all its features. If you have not logged in yet, enter your credentials. This step ensures that your data is saved and synced across all your devices. Next, tap the Diary tab at the bottom of the screen. This tab is where all your food entries and nutritional information are stored. By selecting this tab, you will be taken to your daily diary, which displays what you have consumed and how it affects your nutrition goals. This is important because it serves as the foundation for your macro tracking. Once tapped, you will see various sections related to your meals. Now, look at the very top of your diary screen where it shows your remaining calories. This area is essential as it provides an overview of your caloric intake for the day. You will see a clear indication of how many calories you have left to consume. This visual cue helps you stay within your daily limits, contributing to your dietary goals. Pay attention to this section as it directly relates to your overall progress. From here, click the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the diary screen. This icon serves as a menu button, offering additional options to customize your view. By clicking this, you will unlock more features that enhance your tracking experience. This step is vital because it allows you to make adjustments to how you view your nutritional data. You might notice a slight pause as the options load, but that's perfectly normal. Next, make sure to select Macronutrient Focus from the menu that appears. This option will change your view to emphasize macronutrients rather than just calories. By focusing on macros, you can better understand the balance of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in your diet. This is a crucial aspect of nutrition, especially if you have specific dietary goals such as building muscle or losing weight. Now, the app will switch from calorie math to show your real-time carbs, fat, and protein grams remaining for the day. This display provides a clear breakdown of your macronutrient intake. You can now easily monitor how much of each macronutrient you have left to consume. This feature is beneficial because it allows you to plan your meals more effectively for the rest of the day. You will be able to see if you need to adjust your food choices to meet your macro goals. With that ready, you can now make informed decisions about your meals and snacks throughout the day. Monitoring your macros provides valuable insights into your eating habits, helping you stay on track with your fitness journey. Remember, consistency is key. By regularly checking your macros, you will become more attuned to your nutritional needs and goals. I hope this video has helped you understand how to see macros in MyFitnessPal. Follow these steps to enhance your tracking and make better food choices. You are now equipped to take control of your nutrition effectively. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.